The expression never mind is used to cancel or retract a statement or request that has just been made. It's often used when it is realized that a mistake was made or the statement is no longer relevant or necessary. For example, someone might say, "I'm going to go to the store and buy some milk," and then immediately follow up with, "Never mind, I just remembered that I have some in the fridge." The phrase "never mind" has been in use since the 16th century. It is thought to have originated from the phrase "never mind me," which was used to dismiss a person or their opinion. Over time, the phrase was shortened to "never mind" and began to be used to cancel or retract statements. Never mind can be used in both formal and informal settings. It is typically used at the beginning of a sentence or phrase. Here are some examples of how "never mind" can be used. Firstly, "Never mind what I said before, I was wrong." Secondly, "Never mind asking me for help, I'm too busy." Thirdly, "Never mind about the groceries, I'll pick them up later." Some synonyms for never mind are: firstly, forget it; secondly, don't worry about it; and thirdly, it doesn't matter. Understanding the context and proper usage of never mind can improve communication skills and prevent misunderstandings. The phrase is a common and useful part of everyday language.